In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take class in Miro. Miro is a shared digital whiteboard that your instructor can use to run an interactive class in real time. Instead of only watching a presentation, you will be able to participate directly on the board using tools like a highlighter, pens, shapes, and sticky notes. Classes are often organized into sections on the board, sometimes arranged in frames, so everyone stays focused on the same activity. To get started, go to the Miro board for your class. In most cases, you will open it from the link your instructor provides. Once the board loads, take a moment to orient yourself. You will see the main canvas in the center and a toolbar with different tools you can use to interact. If you are using a laptop or desktop, a mouse or touchpad will make it easy to move around the board, zoom in to read details, and zoom out to see the bigger layout. Next, click on the highlight tool. The highlighter is useful during class when you need to mark text, trace over an area, or emphasize part of the board without fully covering what is underneath. It is designed to be clear and readable, which helps when multiple people are working at the same time. As you use it, keep your strokes neat and purposeful so you do not distract from the main content. If the board feels crowded, zoom in before highlighting so you can be more precise. After that, click on Editor. This sets your mode for working on the board so you can actively add and adjust content rather than only viewing. In editor mode, you can collaborate more effectively during group activities, move items when asked, and contribute to shared exercises. When you are editing, it helps to work in the specific area your instructor assigns. That way your additions stay organized and other students can follow along easily. As the class continues, remember that Miro is built for collaboration. Move carefully, make clear marks, and keep your work within the space provided. This will help the lesson stay smooth and easy for everyone to understand. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.